Imagine a single, straightforward exercise that holds the potential to transform your body. Today, we're diving into the world of planking. Specifically, what happens when you commit just 1 minute every day to this deceptively simple yet powerful workout. Brace yourselves for the revelations that lie ahead. Segment 1, the immediate impact. We're diving right in. What happens to your body the moment you begin a daily 1-minute plank routine? Within seconds, your muscles engage, your core tightens, and the entire body aligns. Stay with me as we unravel the immediate impact that sets the stage for a transformative journey. Segment 2, core strength unveiled. Now let's explore the heart of the matter, your core strength. How does this daily minute of planking contribute to building a robust and resilient core? From sculpted abs to improved posture, we're delving into the core of the matter, unlocking the secrets of strength hidden within each plank. Segment 3, the ripple effect on muscles. Our journey extends beyond the core as we uncover the ripple effect on muscles throughout your body. From shoulders to legs, each second of that 1-minute plank reverberates, triggering a cascade of benefits. Join me as we navigate the intricacies of muscle engagement and the holistic impact on your physique. Segment 4, the mental fortitude. It's not just physical. Planking for 1 minute daily cultivates mental fortitude. As the seconds tick by, your mind and body synchronize in a powerful union. Discover the mental resilience gained through this daily exercise and its potential to extend beyond the workout mat into your daily life. Segment 5, beyond the surface. Internal benefits. Peeling back the layers, we delve into the internal benefits that extend beyond the visible. From improved digestion to enhanced circulation, the 1-minute plank becomes a catalyst for internal well-being. Stay tuned as we unveil the less discussed yet vital aspects of this transformative practice. As we conclude this exploration into the power of planking for just 1 minute every day, I challenge you to join the journey. Commit to this simple yet impactful exercise and witness the transformation within your own body. If you're ready to embrace the plank challenge, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's inspire a community of positive change. Until next time, keep planking, keep pushing boundaries, and I'll see you in the next video.